Hello, viewers. Let us learn about nouns. Welcome to Poison Pose. Everything around us has a name. These names help us to identify a person, a place, or a thing, or an animal. These words that are used to identify something or someone are called as nouns. So, what is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, animal, or a quality. Person. There are a lot of people around us. There are a lot of mothers, doctors, policemen, teachers, etc. All these names comes under person, a name of anyone. Now for example, the name of a doctor is Raj. Then Raj is a noun. Doctor is a noun. So the names which identifies a person is called as a noun. Places. We come across a lot of places when we go out. This is a park, a school, a hospital. These places are called as nouns. These names which identify the place is called as a noun. Moving on to things. A ball, a cup, a book, a pencil. The names of things are also called as nouns. Now, lion, elephant, cat, parrot. These are the names that denotes a particular animal. Lion, elephant, cat, and parrot. These names are also nouns. Now let us look into a few examples. Sweetie is reading a book. The words sweetie and book are nouns. Sweetie is a name of a person. Book is a name of a thing. Another example, Rahul is painting. In this sentence, the word Rahul is a noun. It is a name of a person. Tenny is playing with a dog. In this sentence, the words Tenny and dog are nouns. Tenny is a name of a person and dog is a name of an animal. This is an apple. In this sentence, the word apple is a noun. Apple is a name of a thing. The last example that I would like to give you. This is a monkey. The word monkey is a noun. It is a name of an animal. Now, let us have a small test. Identify the nouns from the following sentences. Question number 1. The dog ran away. The word dog is a noun. It is the name of an animal. Question number 2. Look at the sun. The word sun is a noun. Question number 3. The books are on the table. Books and table are nouns. Question number 4. Jessie likes apples. The words Jessie and apples are nouns. Question number 5. This is a blue pen. Pen is a noun. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it with your friends, post your valuable comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Poison Post. Meet you all in another video. Thank you.